What's up, Madalang people? I'm Kayam from Korea. I'm going to drink a can of non-alcoholic San Miguel beer. It's not fun if I just drink this, is it? So I'm gonna cook some of the durons and eat them together. The ingredients I need are sapa bananas, brown sugar, lumpia wrappers, jackfruits, cooking oil, and some water. Let's get started. Actually, I don't know if this is a sapa banana. I just bought something that says mini banana from Philippines, which is sold at a Korean mart. Anyway, put the banana in sugar and put on a piece of lumpia wrapper. Cut up a jackfruit and put it on top of it. For the lumpia wrapper, it's small, I think. Put water on the top of the head to keep the shape.
Cause you are my girl, you are the one that I envision in my
Again. Oh, it's better. Is it? I just throw away this. Okay. I'm good at cooking turon. That's it. See? I can make Filipino dessert. Right? Ah. Oh, it looks good. I can just fry it, but I will melt sugar in the oil and fry the durum there.
Cause you are my girl. You are the one that I envision in my.
I think it's not good for my health, but I want to try it. Sweet and crispy. It's a dessert in Philippines, but I think it's good with beer too. More sour. Mag-subscribe at mag-iwan ng komento. It's from Hong Kong?